Can you believe it? This is the world's fastest installation container house produced by our company. 2 workers can install it within 40 seconds. The first step is to lift the container within 10 seconds. Step 2 is install the side wall panels in 20 seconds. Step 3 is fix all the screws within 10 seconds. What's more amazing is that a container house of 3 meters by 6 meters with height of 2.8 meters is only 44 centimeters thickness after being folded. We ship the container house to all over the world. A 40 high cube shipping container can load 10 sets. Now we invite partners from all over the world to join our container house business. Follow me and I will show you more information.